rank, or position power. Leadership can be based on position power. However, outranking others in itself does not make someone a leader. One who formally outranks another, has position power relative to that other. This is legitimate power. Legitimate power can come from placing oneself into a position of authority or from being placed in such a position by others. One way of placing yourself into a position of authority is to start your own business and hire others to work for you. This automatically gives you certain authority over your employees. Several ways to be placed in a position of authority are: hiring, for example as manager or board member; election, appointment, for example as ambassador or minister; selection, promotion, for example based on satisfactory performance or seniority. Legitimate power often contains other powers, such as reward power and coercive power. As all leadership derived from legitimate power is domain-specific and conditional. In this regard, domain specificity means that a person's authority may not be acknowledged or accepted outside a certain domain, and conditionality means that a person's authority may only be acknowledged under specific circumstances. Organizational culture also affects the extent to which someone's rank affects behavior of others.